Hello and welcome to Zee Commodity Capsule. It's a non-stop record rally for all the precious metals, gold, silver, platinum, you name it, and they are on a record-breaking spree. Gold and silver both climbed to record highs on Friday, driven by safe haven demand and increased bets of further US interest rate cuts. US gold futures surged to a record high above $45-60 an ounce, while silver jumped past $75 an ounce in the Asian trade this morning towards a new all-time high. US dollar hovered near 2.5 months low on Friday, which has continuously been providing the added support to the precious metals. Bullion has staged a stellar performance so far in 2025, jumping more than 75% so far this year and shattering multiple record highs. Silver has gained more than 160% year to date and breaking through the $75 mark, propelled by structural deficit and its inclusion in the US critical mineral list, along with the strong industrial demand. Platinum prices, as I said, have jumped to a new all-time high on Friday, on track for its best annual rise ever as supply constraints and unexpected EU policy U-turn on the 2035 combustion engine ban and shifting investor flows out of gold-fueled rally. We have seen platinum prices rose to an all-time high above $2470 an ounce. Oil prices were largely flat to positive on Friday, holding on to the gains made earlier this week, as geopolitical tensions helped underpin the market, even as thin holiday liquidity limited fresh price moves. We have seen Brent crude prices holding above $62 a barrel, while WTI crude is staying close to $58.50 a barrel. Both the contracts have risen more than 3% so far this week, although oversupply worries throughout the year have kept oil on track for large annual losses. Malaysian palm oil futures extended gains for fourth trading session in a row and were poised for their first weekly gain in three, buoyed by stronger rival Dalian oil, although a firmer ringgit capped the gains. Ice raw sugar prices settled near 2 months high in the previous trading session, closing above 15 cents per pound, while iron ore futures have fallen on Friday, weighed down by steel making ingredients, coking coal and coke, as inventories stockpile and demand cools. Iron ore on Dalian Commodity Exchange traded below 780 yuan a metric ton. We have seen total iron ore stockpiles across Chinese ports climb by nearly 2.5% on a week-on-week basis, and the inventories of 5 major carbon steel products held by Chinese steel mills declined to 14.5 million tons by December, logging the lowest since late January.